In a concerted effort to bolster security and maintain control in high-risk regions, security forces carried out intensive search and area domination operations in the hill and valley districts of Imphal. The operations targeted fringe and vulnerable zones, resulting in significant arms recoveries from two key locations. In the Changsang Hill range of Imphal East District, the search yielded a substantial cache, including one locally crafted carbine complete with a magazine, 13 high-explosive hand grenades, 2 Chinese-made hand grenades, 2 WP smoke grenades, 32 rounds of AK rifle ammunition, 10 detonators with a container, a radio set label HT-T6, a green ammunition box, and 1 grenade open key. Simultaneously, in the Thingom area of Imphal West District, forces uncovered additional weaponry comprising a 9mm carbine machine with a magazine, a grenade launcher, a locally produced 9mm pistol with a magazine, 5 .36 type hand grenades, 11 rounds of live ammunition, 10 spent cartridges, 10 blank 7.62 mm cartridges, a tube launcher, a Talk Pro wireless communication set, a 3-way smoke grenade, and a stud shell.